Here's a Canva hack I think you're gonna love. Follow for more. First, find an image that you love, remove the background, duplicate that image. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add our text. We're gonna go with Be Unapologetic for this particular creation. Next, stretch that out and align it as you see fit. Adjust the font. Go ahead as well and adjust the color. Then we're gonna reposition the layering of the wording. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add our second word, which is unapologetic. Adjust it as you see fit. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color right here to white. I think this is gonna really look good. Next, we're gonna add a little pop of black to really enhance the wording here. And just like that, guys, we're done.